this video I will show you how to make these 5 basic macrame knots which are used in almost every macrame project. Let's start with the Lark's head knot, which attaches the thread to the rod. Take the thread, fold it in half and place the middle loop in front of the rod you will be working on. Pull the loop to the back, around the rod and thread ends through it. And that's it, the Lark's head knot is finished. You can also make this loop on the other side, placing the loop from below and pulling it forward, like this. The next one is the square knot. To create this knot, you need at least 4 threads, 2 outer ones to work with and 2 standing ones. Take the 2 outer threads in your hands. Start with the left thread. Put it over the 2 standing ones and below the right one. Now pass the right under the 2 standing ones and through the created loop. Tighten the knot by pulling both outer threads. Now you have made a half square knot. To complete the full square knot, perform the same action only from the opposite direction. Start with the right thread. Put it over the standing ones and under the left thread. Put the left one under the standing ones and through the loop. Tighten the knot. And the square knot is ready. Continue as long as you want. Similar is the alternating square knot. The usual square knot goes down in one line, but the alternating square knot is formed between several square knots. Begin by tying a regular square knot between the first 4 threads. Tie the same knot in the remaining 4 threads. Tie the next square knot in the middle, taking 2 threads from one and 2 threads from the other knot. Repeat again from the sides and as far as you want. The next one is the spiral stitch or half square knot. This is a square knot and this is a half square knot. You can start from whichever side you want. I will start from the left. The beginning is identical to a regular square knot. Put the outer thread over the standing ones and under the last one. Now pass the right thread under the standing ones and through the loop. The main difference from a regular square knot is that you have to continue tying it from the same side over and over again, forming a spiral. If you started from the left side, then you will have to continue tying it from the left side. If you started from the right one, then you continue with identical knots from the right side. If you have trouble understanding which side you started with, unwind the spiral until you see a straight line and then continue. Another popular macrame knot is the double half hitch knot. With this knot you can make vertical, horizontal and diagonal lines. It looks best with at least 6 cords. Start with one side. Take the outer cord and put it over, under and through the loop. Tighten the knot but not too tight. Make another knot with this thread and then continue with the next one. Put it over, under and through the loop. When you get to the middle, do the same thing, only from the other side. With this knot, you can create various patterns. Don't be afraid to experiment until you find the best result. And the last popular macrame knot is the alternating half hitch knot. Take the left outer thread and put it over, under and through the loop and tighten it. Now take the right side, put it over, under and through the loop and again tighten it. And do it again from the left side. Right side, left side. Continue as long as you want. And that's essentially it. With these 5 basic macrame knots, you can now start doing more advanced projects. To learn other useful macrame designs and knots, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.